Have you ever felt like your home office lacks personality? Like it's just a bland space where you go to work, but it doesn't inspire or excite you? Well, what if I told you that your home office could be a reflection of your unique style, a space that energizes and motivates you to tackle your tasks with enthusiasm? Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the realm of office interior design, where creativity knows no bounds and every corner has the potential to become a sanctuary of productivity and self-expression. Say goodbye to bland and hello to modern chic with these innovative office design ideas. Let's dive in. Embrace simplicity with sleek minimalism. Clean lines, minimalistic furniture, and a monochromatic color scheme create a contemporary look that's both stylish and functional. Option for a streamlined desk with built-in storage and a chair with geometric shapes for added flair. Upgrade your workspace with the latest technology. Smart lighting systems, wireless charging stations, and voice-controlled assistants like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant will streamline your workflow. Invest in a large, high-resolution monitor for efficient multitasking. Maximize space and minimize clutter with floating shelves. Display decorative items, books, and storage bins above your desk to keep the floor space open and uncluttered. Choose minimalist designs with clean lines to complement the modern aesthetic. Add personality to your home office with bold accent pieces. Inject pops of color with vibrant area rugs, colorful artwork, or statement furniture in contrasting tones. Consider metallic finishes or textured fabrics for added visual interest and depth. Bring the outdoors in with biophilic design elements. Potted plants, natural wood furniture, and large windows that let in plenty of natural light create a connection to nature. Enhance your well-being and productivity with these refreshing touches. Natural light. Position your desk near a window to maximize natural light, which can boost mood and productivity. Consider adding sheer curtains to control glare. Design your home office for versatility. Incorporate modular furniture pieces that can adapt to different tasks and activities. Consider a height-adjustable desk or ergonomic chair for added comfort and functionality. Create separation in an open concept space with glass partitions. Allow light to flow freely while maintaining privacy when needed. Choose frosted or tinted glass for a modern and sophisticated touch. Maximize storage space with built-in cabinets, drawers, and cubbies. Customize storage solutions to fit your specific needs and organizational style. Keep your workspace clutter-free and organized for maximum efficiency. Add texture and visual interest with industrial-inspired elements. Exposed brick walls, metal accents, and concrete flooring create a contemporary yet timeless look. Mix and match materials to personalize your space. Infuse your personality into your home office with curated accessories and meaningful artwork. Inspirational quotes that reflect your interests will inspire creativity and productivity. Create a space that feels uniquely yours. Designate a multifunctional area within your home office for activities beyond work, such as meditation, cozy reading nook, exercise, a mini fridge stocked with refreshments or creative hobbies. Incorporate versatile furniture pieces or dedicated zones to support a balanced lifestyle. By incorporating these modern home office design ideas, you can create a functional and visually stunning workspace that enhances your productivity and creativity. Transform your home office into a stylish sanctuary where you can thrive. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy decorating.